Welcome to Voice of the Workforce. We're going to talk about the grievance process and go over some tips to help you with filing your next grievance. If you find this video helpful, make sure you press the like button and subscribe to the channel to level up your career. Filing a workplace grievance. A quick guide for employees. When facing workplace issues like unfair treatment, discrimination, or unsafe conditions, filing a grievance may be the best way to resolve the problem. This quick guide will help you understand what a grievance is and how to file a formal complaint with your union representatives. What is a grievance? A grievance is a formal complaint raised by an employee concerning workplace conditions or violations of their rights. It can address issues like discrimination, harassment, wage violations, unsafe working conditions, and breaches of employment contracts. Why file a grievance? The grievance procedure provides a clear way for employees to resolve workplace issues. It ensures your concerns are addressed fairly while promoting transparency between employees and management. Steps for filing a grievance. 1. Understand your union's grievance procedure. Start by understanding your union's grievance procedure, which is often outlined in handbooks or online resources. Key details include timelines, necessary documentation, and how to file your complaint. If unsure, ask your union representative or HR department for guidance. 2. Identify the issue. Clearly define the issue you're facing and determine if it falls under a grievance. Common issues include discrimination, unsafe working conditions, wage and hour violations, harassment or bullying, contract violations. 3. Gather evidence. Collect evidence to support your grievance, such as emails, documents, or messages, witness statements, pay stubs or time records, photographs or video evidence, relevant policies or contracts. Document dates, times, and individuals involved to strengthen your case. 4. Approach your immediate supervisor. Informal step. Try resolving the issue informally by speaking with your immediate supervisor or manager. If they're unresponsive or part of the problem, proceed to the next step. 5. Contact your union representative. Reach out to your union representative to discuss your concerns and seek guidance on the grievance procedure. They can help you gather evidence, draft your grievance, and decide whether to file an individual or collective complaint. 6. Draft your grievance statement. Work with your union representative to write a grievance statement. Include your name, job title, and department, date of the complaint, description of the issue with relevant dates, evidence supporting your complaint, the specific policy, law, or contract being violated, the resolution you're seeking. Be concise but thorough, sticking to factual information. 7. File the grievance. Submit your grievance statement to the appropriate person or department, usually your union representative or HR. Keep copies of all documents for your records and file the grievance within your union's specified time frame. 8. Participate in the investigation. After filing, management or the union will investigate your complaint by reviewing evidence, interviewing witnesses, and consulting relevant policies. Provide additional information if requested and cooperate fully with investigators. 9. Attend meetings or hearings. You may be asked to attend meetings or hearings as part of the process. Your union rep will typically accompany you for support. Present your case clearly and professionally, sticking to the facts and maintaining a respectful demeanor. 10. Review the decision. Once the investigation is complete, you'll receive a decision regarding your grievance. If upheld, corrective action will be taken. If denied, review the decision with your union representative and discuss your options for appealing. 11. Consider the appeal process. If dissatisfied with the outcome, you may have the option to appeal the decision. Work with your union rep to understand the appeal process and draft an appeal statement if necessary. Conclusion. Filing a grievance can help resolve workplace issues fairly and transparently. Understand your union's procedure. Define the issue clearly, gather evidence, and seek support from your union representatives. By following these steps, you can navigate the grievance process confidently and advocate for a fair workplace.